Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2013 Mazda BT-50 single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4420. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 and is the current shape. It's fitted with a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. The bonnet appears to have no damage. Radiated grille, tidy front bumper cover, does have a tiny little tear as you can see. Right hand headlight, does have very light sun cracks, same as the left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror in black. Left door appears to have no damage. It's got a tip-top equipment tray, alloy, with all bolts, fittings and everything to fit to your ute. Left rear, 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right hand rear, 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Right door appears to have no damage. Right guard also appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror in black. And a right front 16-inch factory steel wheel with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. That's the bench seat for the left-hand seat. Manual console, bench seat type, 6-speed manual gear shifter, less gear knob, heater controls, single stack CD player, control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.